here at Innovative Parking Systems. We're kind of in the bat cave. Take a look around. We've got a warehouse space. It's tall enough to fit this entire system in. What you're looking at here is the Logica 07 with essentially every feature known to man on it. It's got an HVAC system on it for difficult environments in case they need to keep their humidity and temperature the same, which is always helpful in pad printing to have those things balanced so that your solvent evaporation works in a consistent way. Completely enclosed system, Logica 07, 100% electric, motor-driven system with 6 axes of motion. So we have, can't open it. Horizontal travel. There's controllable front axis, plus or minus 40 millimeters in the front axis of adjustment. Totally electric. Full adjustment in this axis, rotational axis R1 and rotational axis R2. So it's really like a CNC system that you can bring the whole thing through. In this instance, we're showing 3 pads on here right now, but it's set up for 5 independent pads. Particularly interesting because each pad is independent not only in the front position, so take a look at me. So I can pick up all the colors and come forward and put one down and then index under and then put the next one down. And that's a question of pad interference. So if you have a larger part, what will happen is if you come down with both pads, sometimes the pad will compress on the part itself and it caused before it's supposed to. So by having them retracted, you can put one down and make sure you don't have interference with the second pad. But what's particularly interesting about this one is that it has a control in the back as well. So I can go back, pick up one color, come forward, put that one down, go back and pick up one independently. And what that does is allows me to say, for instance, if I need to put white down twice underneath in order to get opacity, I can pick up color 1, put that down 2 times, and not have color 2 and 3 pick up at the same time. You can link these in special programs through the system, so I can do compound programs. So I can do color 1 2 times, then go back and pick up color 1, 2, and 3, and then go back and pick up color 3 and then color 2, and put them all down independently. So I can layer colors on to get opacity, or I can use it for more complex things where I'm maybe picking up the same image and putting it onto different aspects of the part, different angles of the part. What else can I tell you about it? Everything is controllable through the keyboard of the machine. So we have full control here of each motor, each axis of motion. Everything is 0.01 millimeter increments or the same equivalent in terms of rotation of the R1 and R2 in the system. It's a standard piece of equipment for us.
Standard, but beautiful.
And actually not the largest piece of equipment in the range. So if you've got pad printing problems, we can fix them for you. We've got all sorts of interesting opportunities here.
Thanks, Trent. I think it's a beautiful machine.
But that outward okay. One thing I forgot to mention on here is one of the things that we like to do is incorporate all of our air onto the machine itself. In this case, the only exterior pneumatics that you need are compressed air for the pads, so your energy usage is extremely low. The blowers for the pads to help with the process are deionized air, but also all of the air on the system is generated here, so that we're blowing everything we're creating is here. The overall savings on a system like this because of compressed air of a pneumatic machine a similar size is thousands and thousands of dollars a year in electricity on your compressor and compressor maintenance. It's a big deal, and that's why it's here. So here you go.